ஹலோ எவ்ரிவன், வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சேனலில் ட்ரைடனோட எஸ்ஸே ஆஃப் ட்ராமாட்டிக் பாய்ஸி பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். Lycidas support for French. Lycidas says in the last 40 years, English people wrote bad poems. French people reformed their theatre. The French have unity of action, but it is missing in English plays. The Englishmen have variety and also history, and they imitated ancients. For example, the historical plays Shakespeare. So Shakespeare not followed time condemns 30 years into 3 years in his history plays. And he did not imitate nature. But French are good in poetry, representing feelings. Lycidas calls Ben Jonson as missing tragedy and comedy in the plays in Sejanus and Catiline. So English tragedies sometimes makes the audience laugh. For example, death is the most comic part of English tragedy, but French avoid long dialogues. French prefer rhyme. English use blank verse. So இந்த லைன் வந்து யார் சொன்னான்னு கேட்பாங்க, Lycidas. Next, Neander support for English. Neander criticized French playwright, especially Corneille. So Neander says Corneille was an arch poet, and also he wrote the play Lear. French people mixed entertainment in serious play, like English tragic comedies. Many French plays are copied from Spanish novels. Neander praises for his 3 plays, The Alchemist, The Silent Woman, and Patrol New Fair. So French plots are dry and single, but English plots have underplots and they have variety. Here we have borrowed nothing from them. Our plots are weaved in English. 100 milestones have endeavored to follow the variety and greatness of characters from Shakespeare and Fletcher. ஸோ இந்த லைனை சொன்னது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நியாண்டர். 2 things are important in English drama. English plays have variety of plots and character. There is more masculine fancy and spirit in English plays. Next, Neander. Here Neander is Dryden compares Ben Jonson and Shakespeare. Dryden appreciates Shakespeare. Shakespeare the most comprehensive soul. Shakespeare not learned, but he shined very well as learned people shine. Shakespeare was the Homer and great wit, the father of our dramatic poets. So this is very, very important. But Ben Jonson was the Virgil and correct poet, the pattern of elaborate writing. Shakespeare was the Homer and great wit. Ben Jonson was the Virgil and correct poet. I admire him, but I love Shakespeare. அடிக்கடி கேட்ட கொஸ்டின் இது. ஸோ இந்த லைன் வந்து நியாண்டர் தான் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஐ அட்மயர் ஹிம் பட் ஐ லவ் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர். Ben Jonson's comedy, The Silent Woman. There are 9 or 10 characters in the play. He followed unity of time, 3.5 hours. It was an admirable plot. He used blank verse, the most learned and judicious writer which any theatre ever had. So Dryden, the most learned and judicious writer which any theatre had ever. So Dryden. ஸோ யாரை பற்றி சொல்கிறாரு ட்ரைடன் அப்படின்னா பென் ஜான்சனை பற்றி சொல்கிறாரு. Cried says the rhymed verse is not suitable for tragedies and comedies. He calls it unnatural. Neander supported rhyme, comes forward to defend the rhyme. According to Neander, blank verse is suitable for comedy. Rhyme is suitable for tragedy. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சின்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் வேறு ஒரு டாப்பிக்கில் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.